Qinux Briza AC reviews, does it really work or scam? The Qinux Briza AC is being marketed as a compact, portable air conditioner designed to offer fast and efficient cooling in small spaces. However, upon closer inspection, there is significant confusion and skepticism surrounding the authenticity and performance of this device. For starters, there is little to no verifiable information available from reputable sources or consumer electronics retailers about a product specifically called Qinux Briza AC. This absence raises a red flag. The name itself appears to be a mashup of two unrelated brand terms, Qinux, which is often associated with low-end tech gadgets like drones and smartwatches, and Briza, a brand known for evaporative coolers. These coolers work by blowing air over water to create a cooling effect, but they are not air conditioners in the traditional sense and are not effective in humid environments. Consumer reports and online tech forums indicate that many products under the Qinux label have questionable quality and unclear origin. These items are often sold through third-party websites or limited-time promotions with heavy discounts and no clear warranty or customer service options. The Briza line, on the other hand, does exist and has some positive feedback, but again, it's for air coolers, not actual AC units. If a seller combines these names and advertises the product as an air conditioner, it's likely a marketing tactic designed to mislead consumers. These devices often have limited cooling capacity, function more like fans with a water tank, and do not provide the same performance or cooling coverage as a traditional AC. In conclusion, the Qinux Briza AC appears to be either a misleadingly marketed evaporative cooler or an entirely made-up product. There are no trusted reviews, specifications, or detailed breakdowns of this device available from reliable tech sources. If you are considering purchasing it, proceed with caution. Always verify product authenticity, read real user reviews, and buy from reputable platforms. In most cases, it's better to invest in a known brand with proven cooling performance and solid customer support.